So today our class trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations two types. One is principal solution and another one is general solution. Principal solution and general solution. So here principal solution always depending on general solution, but general solution depending on principal solution always, but principal solution cannot depending on general solution. So here principal solution, first one is principal solution. So for example, root 2 sin theta is equal to 1. For example, root 2 sin theta is equal to 1. Sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Theta is equal to sin theta when 1 by root 2. Sin theta is sin pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. So that is equal to sin pi by 4. So both sides sin will be cancelled. Theta is equal to pi by 4. But whenever we calculation of principal solution, in that time we have to take two angles. Why? Because sin theta, here our value is positive value. Our value is positive value. So positive, which quadrant sin theta has positive? So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So first quadrant and second quadrant has sin theta is positive. Sin theta is positive. So first quadrant is 2 pi plus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 plus theta or 0 plus theta. Second quadrant is 180 minus theta. Third quadrant 180 plus theta. And fourth quadrant is 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta. So sin theta positive in which quadrant? First quadrant and second quadrant. First quadrant angle is 0 plus theta, that is equal to pi by 4. That is equal to pi by 4. Or second quadrant also sin theta positive. That means pi minus theta. Our theta value is pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4. That is equal to 3 pi by 4. That is equal to 3 pi by 4. So our solutions are 1, 2 and one more solution is there. Why? Because 2 pi plus theta also first quadrant. 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus pi by 4. 4. That is equal to 4 into 2. 8 pi plus pi. 9 pi by 4 also our solution. These three solutions are called principal solutions. Principal solutions. Pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 9 pi by 4. That three values are called principal solution. Whenever he is given general trigonometric equation, root 2 sin theta is equal to 1, like that, we calculation about theta, that is called principal solution. That is called principal solution. So next one, general solution. So general solution, whenever sin theta is equal to 0, whenever sin theta is equal to 0, in that time our solution is theta is equal to n pi. Theta is equal to n pi. So whenever cos theta is equal to 0, that time theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. And next tan theta is equal to 0, in that time theta is equal to n pi. Theta is equal to n pi. That is only equal to zeros. Equal to zeros. And whenever equal to another angle, sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha. In that time, our solutions are sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Whenever sin theta is equal to sin alpha, in that time theta is equal to, our solution is n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha. N pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha. Next, cos theta is equal to cos alpha. In that time theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. 2n pi plus or minus alpha. And tan theta is equal to tan alpha. In that time theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, not plus or minus, here only plus, n pi plus alpha. Here this alpha is called principal solution. Alpha is called principal solution. That means, observe here, sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin theta is equal to this value. So that value is called a principal solution. So principal solution, general solution is always depending on principal solution. General solution is always depending on principal solution. That means alpha, alpha, alpha. So principal solution is not depending on general solution. That is the difference between principal solution and general solution. So here formula sin theta is equal to sin square alpha. Here sin theta is equal to 0. Here sin theta is equal to sin alpha. And as the same sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. Cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. Tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. In that time, where we have to take squares, in that time, our solution is all common solution. Theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. These three trigonometric equations, sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, as the same cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, as the same tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. In three equations, we have same solution, that is common solution, that is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha, n pi plus or minus alpha. And simultaneous equations, that means mixed of sine and cos, and sine and tan, and tan and cot, and tan and cos, that mixed of different angles, different sine, different trigonometric functions, sine cos, cos sine, tan cot tan, and cot cos, and sine tan, that different kind of trigonometric functions, mixed of trigonometric functions will be called simultaneous equations. In that time, we have to take theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. 2n pi plus alpha. This alpha is common angle between those given trigonometric functions. For example, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here we finding sin square theta angle separately and cos square function also separate. So here we getting some theta value. Here also we getting some theta value. So comparing simultaneous equations, whenever we comparing simultaneous equations, in that time theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. Alpha means the same angle, same principal solution. We compulsory we have to take same angle, same principal solution. For example, principal solutions are pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 9 pi by 4. Another function we will get pi by 4 and 3 pi by 2 and 5 pi by 6. So here these two trigonometric principal solutions, we comparing the two trigonometric principal solutions. Common solution is pi by 4. Here is 1 pi by 4, here is 1 pi by 4. So common solution is pi by 4. That is called here simultaneous, where we have to take simultaneous equations. In that time, the common angle or common principal solution alpha is pi by 4. Pi by 4. We can take that type of simultaneous equations. In that time, 2n pi plus alpha, that alpha is common angle given those trigonometric functions. So these all are formulas of trigonometric equations. Now we can do here problem. So one more trigonometric equations formula. Whenever is given in this type of equation, a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. Whenever is given in this type of trigonometric equation, a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. In that time, mod c less than or equal to under root a square plus b square. First, suppose mod c is less than or equal to under root a square plus b square. In that time, we have solution. It has one solution. Where mod c is greater than under root of a square plus b square. Mod c is greater than under root of a square plus b square. In that time, there has no solution. In this type of equation, whenever is given a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c, in that time we first compare these two values. Mod c is less than or equal to, or mod c is greater than. Whenever mod c is less than or equal to under root a square plus b square, in that time we has one solution. We find them. So mod c is greater than under root of a square b square. In that time there has no solution. So this one is all formulas of trigonometric equations. Now we can do here problems of trigonometric equations. First problem. The principal solution of cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2 is, first one is minus pi by 6, and the second one is 3 pi by 5, and the third one is 5 pi by 6, and fourth one is 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. Cos theta is negative value. So first of all, we can check that one. Which quadrant is cos theta negative? Which quadrant is cos theta negative? So first quadrant, second quadrant, and third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Cos theta is first quadrant and fourth quadrant is positive. So now second quadrant, fourth quadrant is negative. Second quadrant is pi minus theta and third quadrant is pi plus theta. In that time, given angle is cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Minus is just a sign. Root 3 by 2 when cos theta is root 3 by 2. Cos theta root 3 by 2. Cos 60 or 30? 30. Cos 30. 30 means pi by 6. Cos pi by 6. So here angle is alpha is pi by 6. So here pi minus theta, pi minus pi by 6 is one value, and pi plus theta, pi plus pi by 6 is another value. So 6 into pi, 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6 is one value, 5 plus pi by 6, 7 pi by 6 is another value. Cos theta is always there exists belongs to 0 to pi. The class interval is 0 to pi, 0 to 180 degrees. In that mean 180 minus theta is including 0 to pi. 180 plus theta is does not exist 0 to pi. Does not exist 0 to pi. So that's why we have to take this value 5 pi by 6. Here our principal solutions are 2. Principal solutions are 2. But here cos theta always belongs to 0 to pi. In that mean our value is pi by 6. So our option is third option, pi by 6. Next problem. If cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta, then theta is equal to. First one is plus or minus 30 degrees, and the second one is plus or minus 60 degrees, and third one is plus or minus 45 degrees, and the fourth one is plus or minus 90 degrees. Plus or minus 30, plus or minus 60, plus or minus 45, plus or minus 90. So cos 2 theta, already we know cos 2 theta formulas. Cos 2 theta formulas, 3 formulas is there. One is 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and the third one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So we are using 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to given value is 2 sin square theta. Minus 2 sin square theta goes that side. Already here is right side 2 sin square theta, and this one comes right side 2 plus 2, 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4. Sin theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Plus or minus 1 by 2. So here theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. In which angle sin theta is 1 by 2? So sin theta is equal to plus or minus sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees. Both sides sin will be cancelled. Theta is equal to plus or minus 30 degrees. So our option is first option, plus or minus 30 degrees. And next, third problem. If sin x plus cos x is equal to 1, if sin x plus cos x is equal to 1, sorry, sin x plus cos x is equal to 1 plus sin x cos x, 1 plus sin x cos x, then x is equal to, first one is n pi plus pi by 3, second one is n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into pi by 6, and third one n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into pi by 2, and fourth one is n pi. So sin x plus cos x is equal to 1 plus sin x cos x, 1 plus sin x cos x. So this one sin x plus cos x minus sin x cos x is equal to 1. This one comes this side. So here is one sin x, here is one sin x. Sin x is take common, 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x, plus cos x This minus 1 comes this side, minus 1 is equal to 0. Here is 1 cos x minus 1. Here is 1 cos x minus 1. For suppose here 1 minus cos x. So then we have to take minus is common. Minus is common. In that means 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x is equal to 0. So cos x minus 1 is equal to 0 is one value. 1 minus sin x is equal to 0, one value. Cos x is equal to 1. In that means x is equal to 0 degrees. X is equal to 0 degrees. And sin x is equal to 1. Sin x is equal to 1. X is equal to 90 degrees. X is equal to 90 degrees. So here we calculating x is equal to 0 degrees and x is equal to pi by 2 degrees. So major degree is 0 to pi by 2. So highest degree is pi by 2. In that time, sine function formula is n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into pi by 2. So our option is n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into pi by 2. That is our solution. Next, fourth one. Next problem. If sin A is equal to sin B and cos A is equal to cos B, cos A is equal to cos B, then A is equal to, first one is n pi plus B, second one is 2n pi plus B, third one is 2n pi minus B, and fourth one is 2n pi plus or minus B. So here given questions are two. Sin A is equal to sin B is one and cos A is equal to cos B is another one. So sin A, this minus sin B is equal to 0. Sin B comes this side, sin A minus sin B is equal to 0. And cos A, this cos B comes this side, minus cos B is equal to 0. So sin A minus sin B is equal to 0. This is like that, sin C minus sin D. That formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2 is equal to 0. Here cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 is equal to, sin A minus B by 2 is equal to 0. Compare these two formulas. Common term is sin A minus B by 2, sin A minus B by 2. So sin A minus B by 2 is equal to 0. Sin theta is equal to 0. Our formula is theta is equal to n pi. Theta is equal to n pi. So here theta is A minus B by 2. A minus B by 2 is equal to n pi. So A minus B is equal to 2 goes that side, 2n pi. So A is equal to 2n pi plus B. 2n pi plus B. So 2n pi plus B is our option. Second option is our answer. And next one, next problem. Next problem, if tan theta plus tan 4 theta plus tan 7 theta is equal to tan theta into tan 4 theta into tan 7 theta. Tan 7 theta. In that time, our options are n pi by 4, second one is n pi by 7, and third one is n pi by 12, and fourth one is n pi. Fourth one is n pi. We know one formula, a plus b plus c is equal to n pi. A plus b plus c is equal to n pi. In that time, tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. Tan a into tan b into tan c. Whenever a plus b plus c is equal to n pi, in that time tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. Here observe this one, tan a plus tan b plus tan c. A value is theta, b value is 4 theta, c value is 7 theta. So tan a into tan b into tan c. So here same. So in that time a plus b plus c is equal to n pi. So our value is n pi. Fourth one, n pi. Next problem. tan theta plus sec theta is equal to root 3. Then the principal value of theta plus pi by 6. The principal solution of theta plus pi by 6 is, first one is pi by 3, and the second one is pi by 4, and third one is 2 pi by 3, and fourth one is pi by 2. Here observe this one, tan theta is equal to sin by cos, sin theta by cos theta, plus sec theta is 1 by cos theta is equal to root 3. So this cos theta is take LCM and goes to right side. 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta is equal to root 3 cos theta. So 1 is equal to this sin theta goes that side, root 3 cos theta minus sin theta. In this type of problems, whenever given value is in root 3 terms, in that time we have to multiply and dividing with 2. So 1 is equal to 2 into root 3 cos theta minus sin theta divided by 2. So this 2 come this side, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2 cos theta minus 1 by 2 sin theta. This is, we can write that sin of or cos of, sin of or cos of. We can write cos of theta plus pi by 6. Why? Because we want plus. Here our question is minus. So in that time cos formula is minus. So cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos theta whenever the angle is 1 by 2. So cos of theta plus pi by 6 is equal to cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees pi by 3. So cos will be cancelled. Theta plus pi by 6 is equal to pi by 3. So our first option is the right answer. Pi by 3 is right answer. Next one. Number of solutions of cos x is equal to mod 1 plus sin x. Number of solutions of. So first one is 3, second one is 2, and third one is 4, and fourth one is 1. So mod 1 plus sin x, given value mod 1 plus sin x is always greater than 0. Is always greater than 0. That means mod 1 plus sin x is equal to 1 plus sin x, positive value. So cos x is equal to, we have to take positive value 1 plus sin x. This sin x come this side, cos x minus sin x is equal to 1. It's the same. Before problem, as the same. We can multiply and dividing with root 2. Root 2 into cos x minus sin x by root 2 is equal to 1. This root 2 go to the side. 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x. Sin or cos? You have to take cos. For suppose cos. Cos of x plus pi by 4. X plus pi by 4. Here minus. Our question is minus. So in that time cos of plus. That is equal to this root 2 go to that side. 1 by root 2. Here x plus pi by 4 is equal to pi by 4. Cos whenever 1 by root 2, 45 degrees. So here cos theta is positive in which quadrants? First quadrant and fourth quadrant. So our answer is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. So okay, 5 నిమిషాలు. So x plus pi by 4 is equal to 45 degrees. So here first quadrant 2 pi plus theta, fourth quadrant 2 pi minus theta. 45 is general angle. So 2 pi plus theta, 2 pi plus 45. That is equal to 4 into 2. 8 pi plus pi, 9 pi by 4. And 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi minus pi by 4. That is equal to 7 pi by 4. Here how many solutions? 1, 2, 3. 3 solutions is there. So our option is first one, 3 solutions. How many solutions? 3 solutions. The number of solutions, 3. So next, tan of cot x. Tan of cot x is equal to cot of tan x. Cot of tan x. Then sin 2x is equal. Then sin 2x is equal. Our options are first one 2n plus 1 into pi by 4, and the second one 4 by 2n plus 1 into pi, and the third one 4 pi by 2n plus 1, and fourth one n pi. So here given question is tan of cot x is equal to tan of the cot of tan x. So here tan of cot x is equal to, this one also we can change to tan terms. So tan of, we can write 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So cot of tan x we can write tan of 90 minus theta. So both sides tan will be cancelled. Cot x is equal to pi by 2 minus tan x. Pi by 2 minus tan x. So this tan x comes this side. Cot x plus tan x is equal to 90 degrees. Tan x plus cot x is equal to 90 degrees. In that time, cot x plus tan x value is 2 cosec 2x. 2 cosec 2x. Simplify that one. Cos by sine, 1 sine by cos. Cos sine is LCM, take LCM, and cross multiplication, sine square theta plus cos square theta. Multiply and dividing with 2, we get 2 cosec 2x. That is equal to, this one is simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. In that time, we can take 2n plus 1 into theta. Theta value is pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So here 2 goes that side. Cosec 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. So we want sin 2x. So this one is 1 by cosec 2x. So denomination goes to 1 by, 4 by 2n plus 1 into 5. So sin 2x value is 4 by 2n plus 1 into 5. So 4 by 2n plus 1 into 5. 4 by 2n plus 1 into 5. And next problem. Next problem. Tan of phi cos theta. Tan of phi cos theta is equal to cot of phi sin theta. Cot of phi sin theta. Then a value of cos of theta minus pi by 4. Cos of theta minus pi by 4. Among the following is, first one is 1 by 2 root 2, and second one is 1 by root 2, and third one is 1 by 2, and fourth one is 1 by 4. So here tan of phi cos theta is equal to cot of phi sin theta. So tan of phi cos theta is equal to, here we can write cot value change of to tan terms. Tan of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. So in that time, tan will be cancelled. We get phi cos theta is equal to simultaneous solution tan cot. In that time, n pi plus pi by 2 minus pi sin theta. Here we have to take n pi plus pi by 2 minus pi sin theta. So here phi cos theta, this one comes this side, plus pi sin theta. Pi is common. Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to n pi plus pi by 2. So here pi into, here multiply and dividing with root 2. Root 2 cos theta plus sin theta by root 2 is equal to, pi is common, n plus 1 by 2. So pi become cancelled. So cos of this one we can write theta minus pi by 4. Cos of a minus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a plus sin a sin b. Cos of theta minus pi by 4. This root 2 goes that side. n plus 1 by 2 root 2. N plus 1 by 2 root 2. N plus 1 by 2 root 2. Here, n plus 1 by 2 root 2. So our answer is n plus 1 is common term. Here n pi, we have to take common solution. So our option is 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2. So theta minus pi by 4. Cos of theta minus pi by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2. Our option is 1 by 2 root 2. Next problem. The most general value of theta, which satisfies both the equations tan theta is equal to minus 1, tan theta is equal to minus 1 and cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2 is, first option is n pi plus 7 pi by 4, second option is 2n pi plus 7 pi by 4, and the third option is n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, and the fourth option is 7 n pi by 4. So common values means tan theta is equal to minus value and cos theta is equal to plus value. So cos theta is plus and tan theta is minus. In which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Theta belongs to quadrant 4. Theta belongs to quadrant 4. In that time, quadrant 4 is 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta. Here tan theta is equal. Theta value is pi by 4. Cos theta value is pi by 4. So here 2 pi minus pi by 4. That is equal to 4 into 2. 8 pi minus pi. 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4 is our principal solution. 7 pi by 4 is principal solution. Here tan theta, cos theta, simultaneous solutions. In that time, 2n pi plus alpha. 2n pi plus alpha value is 7 pi by 4. 2n pi plus 7 pi by 4 is our option. Second option is our answer. And next problem. Cos 2x plus 2 cos square x minus 2 is equal to 0. Cos 2x plus 2 cos square x minus 2 is equal to 0. So first option is 2n pi plus pi by 3 inside bracket, and second one is n pi plus or minus pi by 6, and the third option is n pi plus pi by 3, and the fourth option is 2n pi minus pi by 3. 2n pi minus pi by 3. Here given question is 2 cos square x minus 1, cos 2x formula, plus 2 cos square x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 plus 2, 4 cos square x minus 3 is equal to 0. Cos square x is equal to 3 by 4. Cos x is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Plus or minus root 3 by 2. That value is x is equal to pi by 6. Which angle? Pi by 6. So the general solution is n pi square. Given question is squares. In terms of cos square, our solution is cos square x is equal to cos square alpha. In that time, our solution is n pi plus alpha. N pi plus or minus alpha. N pi plus or minus alpha. So here n pi plus or minus, our alpha value is pi by 6. So n pi plus or minus pi by 6. Our option is second option. And next and last question in trigonometric equations. Y is equal to 1 plus mod cos x plus mod cos square x plus mod cos cube x plus dash. And 8 power of y is equal to 64. Then number of solutions. Find number of solutions. So 8 power of y is equal to 8 square. That means y is equal to 2. Here this is like that. Y is equal to geometric progression GP 1 by a plus mod cos x, our answer is. So in that time y is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 1 by 1 plus mod cos x. So cross multiplication 1 plus mod cos x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Mod cos x is equal to 1 by 2. So cos x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Plus or minus 1 by 2. So here how many solutions? Plus or minus. So 2 solutions. The number of solutions are 2. The number of solutions are 2. So these problems are trigonometric equations and inverse trigonometric functions. Next topic is inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions, very important. Sine inverse x is equal to x. In that time, here domain, depending on domain, and cos inverse x is equal to x. Here domain, so all are depending on domain. So sine inverse of sine theta, that is equal to theta. This is depending on range. Cos inverse of cos theta, that is equal to theta. Here also depending on range. That means whenever is given first sine, next inverse, in that time domain, depending on domain. First inverse after function, in that time depending on range. What are they? What is the range and what is the domain? So sine inverse of minus sine x. Sine inverse of minus sine x is equal to minus sine inverse x. Only cos term and sec term is positive. Remaining all are minus. Cos inverse minus x also we can write cos inverse of minus x. We can write pi minus cos inverse x. Sine inverse of minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. Cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. And tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. So sine, tan, cosec is this type. Minus sine inverse x, minus tan inverse x, minus cosec inverse x. Cos, sec, cot, both are pi minus cos inverse x, pi minus cot inverse x, pi minus sec inverse x. The three functions are pi minus, and these three functions are minus sine inverse x, minus tan inverse x, minus cosec inverse x. So this type of are formulas depending on range and domain. What is the ranges? What is the domains? I can explain next class. So I can explain trigonometric inverse functions tomorrow. So tomorrow we will be continued inverse trigonometric functions as the same hyperbolic functions also. So tomorrow we will be completed inverse trigonometric functions and hyperbolic functions.